Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this passion twist hairstyle. I did use the crochet and rubber band method just because my hair is super short and I am a beginner. I feel like this technique is really good for people that want to save money but I'm just not really that good at doing hair themselves. So this is like a foolproof way of getting your hair done basically. If you are interested in this video, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. And please don't forget to hit the bell down below so you're notified when I upload. Really hope you enjoy the video guys and stay tuned. Okay, so I look like an idiot, but this is how it's all going to begin. So I've divided my hair up and I put it into rubber bands. Because my hair is short, my boyfriend actually helped me do the back, so thank you. Noah, say hi. Yeah, so if you see him in the background, I'm sorry, he's playing FIFA, so yeah. But we're gonna try and do some passion twists, which I've never done before, but I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do the back and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the front because I don't think I can really record the back. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Basically, I didn't have enough hair. I needed one more packet. So I'm going to be showing you the top half of my hair. It's been a bit of a struggle just because my hair is short and it's hard for me to kind of like blend my hair in, but I'm getting there. My boyfriend's in the background still playing FIFA. This is the hair and that's the length. Hopefully you can see it. So the length of the hair is 26 inches, but I basically stretched it out to make it a little bit longer because that's not long enough for me. But I'm going to be showing you how I do the remainder and hopefully the camera's going to be in focus. I might lift the camera up higher. I get my crochet needle. I put it underneath the elastic band. I've been taking 2 strands of the hair. I started off with 3 but I found it a bit too big because by the time it unravels it's huge. I twist it a little bit just to make it easier to hook onto the latch. So you put it through my hair underneath, and then once you've got it through, I keep that little loop thing here, and then I take 2 strands of the hair that are the same length and I put it through that loop just to give my hair, just to knot it in place. Ouch. So then I want my hair to be in the middle of that knot so I can twist it in. Yep. Sorry, this is looking a little bit confusing, but it's not. I'm just basically making a little knot. So I've got my hair and there's like 2 different lengths from where I've extended the length of the hair. I take one of each length and put them together. And then also grab my hair. And I have to try and twist my hair into it basically. And you can see there's a tiny bit of my hair still poking out, but honestly I couldn't give a damn. I really couldn't give a damn. It's part of fashion. And what I'm doing is occasionally, not with every single twist, but I'm leaving 1 strand of hair. And I'm sorry, but this isn't the most flattering thing, but I use my mouth to hold it. Now that I've twisted it to the end, it's going to start like twisting back a little bit, so I just want to make sure it doesn't twist untwisting at the top. So that's what it looks like. So I kind of hold it and twist it in the direction I've been twisting it in so it doesn't unravel. bye.